Hey everybody, with the holidays and those special sales coming up, I thought I would make a video of my favorite crystal books that will make awesome gift for the crystal beginner, the student, or practitioner. I love these books and you can get them from the affiliate links in the description box below. Here they are, my favorite crystal books. Scott Cunningham's Encyclopedia of Crystal, Gem, and Metal Magic was my first crystals book. This book is so comprehensive, it will be impossible for me to review it in this short video. It talks about stones and metals, but it also discusses the types of energy associated to them. It talks about history and legends, jewelry, and it has a section on how to get your crystals and how to care for them. If it is your intention to study this field, this must be your first book. Judy Hall's books are like the desktop reference for crystal lovers and crystal therapy practitioners. The Crystal Bible series is a must-have whether you're looking to supplement your library or a quick reference guide, a catalog, or looking to identify stones. This series is a must-have in your library. I'm proud to say I'm a graduate of Ashley Levy's Certified Crystal Healer program, so I know firsthand that her program and products are top quality. Crystals for Energy Healing is amazing in content and presentation. It's beautiful to look at, get it in hard copy, and written in a way that reaches everybody, no matter where they are in the crystal journey. This is the perfect gift for all. Crystals Lore, Legend, and Myth is a beautifully written book by Dr. Athena Berakis, an awesome crystal healing teacher and author. In this book, you will find myth and legends from all civilizations on the planet and crystals from Lemurian Atlantis. If you enjoy history, this is your book. The Book of Crystal Grids by Philip Permuth is my favorite book of crystal grids ever. This book made me think outside the box in terms of the rehearsed perfection of fit and form when combining stones. It also teaches you how to bring the crystal grids to any space and the beauty they carry. And yes, there is magic in beauty. If you're still experimenting with grids or you are an artist, this is your book. So there you have my favorite books that will make beautiful gifts this holiday season and for any occasion. The links are in the description box below. Don't forget to click on them. And also check my crystal classes in Teachable. Have a wonderful holiday, and I'll see you in the next one.